Okay, today we'll look at graphing systems of linear inequalities. And similar to graphing a system of equations, we are looking for not just one point where we're looking at an intersection, but we're looking for a space or a set that they share. So we're going to graph lines, then we're going to graph the inequalities, and then we're going to see where they intersect. Okay, so let's do one together. So first we have y is less than or equal to negative x minus 2. I know this is going to be a line because of the equal to sign. I'm going to start at negative 2. And then it says negative, my slope is negative 1. So that means I'm going to go up 1 over 1. Up 1 over 1. Up 1 over 1. Up 1 over 1. And so my line is going to be something like this. And it is less than, so I'm going to shade everything less than this way. All right, the second one, let's make it red instead so we can see the difference. We're going to start here at 2. And my slope is negative 5 over 1. So I'm going to go down 5, 1, and I'm going down 5 because I can't go up 5. So going down 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And I just need to make sure that it's negative. So to make sure that it's negative, I need to make sure it's going down the hill. And to make it go down the hill, I need to go this way, right? And I can't really do any more points. That line is going to be very hard to make also. Okay, so there is my line there, and this time it is greater than, so everything above the line. And as you can see from our graph, there's not much overlap, but this is the place that it overlaps. So this is actually my solution set right here. Let's use some technology to help us. So I'm going to put this on my free graphing calculator at desmos.com. So I'm going to go here. Oops, I did something horrible. I'll fix it in a second. So we have y is less than my less than sign. Then I'm going to hit the equal to sign. Negative x minus 2. So there's my graph there. Then I have y is greater than sign with the equal to negative 5x plus 2. And again, they just have that little section right there where they both overlap. Okay? Little section where they both overlap. Let's do another one. These look pretty similar to the one that I just did. I think the only difference is that it's not equal to, the lines are dotted, so we're not going to do this one. This is actually a bad example. I should have noticed that before. I don't know how I missed that. So now let's do this one. So we have, let's change this color. All right, so we have y is less than or equal to, so it's going to be a solid line, 1/2 x plus 2. So I'm going to start here at 2. And go, this time I'm going to go down, well, I can go up 1 and then over 1, 2. I can also go down 1 and over 1, 2. All right, the same thing, as long as I'm going up the hill, I'm going to now make my line I know it's a line. All right, and it says that it's less than, so I'm going to shade everything below. All right, the next one. Oops. Let's change the color. Let's do green today. And I'm going to start here at -3. My slope is -2 over 1. So I'm going to go up 1, 2, and I'm going to go this way because I want it to be, actually that's going up the hill, so that's the wrong way. So that's going 1, 2, and over this way. So now it's downhill. So I'm going to go up 1, 2, and go over here this way. Then I'm going to go up 1, 2, and over this way. And then I'm going to go up 1, 2, and over this way. And I just did dots because there's no equal sign, so there's nothing but dots. This one's going to go 1, 2, and over. All right, so there's my second one, and it says that it is less than, so it's going to be below the line. So now we can see that this section here, let me change my color to black, is the point of intersection, this part right here, where both of them interact, the blue and the green and the black are intersecting. That's where all the solutions can be found for this system, okay? So one of the solutions, for example, is -3, -3. For example, 2, -2 is not a solution. 3 is not a solution. Instead, the solutions are where we have this intersection here. So now let's graph it on our graphing calculator. So I'm going to put in y, the less than sign that I have on my keyboard, hit the equal sign right after, 1 divided by 2 over x plus 2. There's the first one. And the next one is y is less than -2x minus 3. And again, this is the solution set right here, where the red for this one is red and blue. And I hope that this helps.